Hello for making baby bassinet. Follow all steps. 1. With the help of thick foam sheet, make its base. Length will be 30 inches, width 18 inches.
It's the standard size of bassinet. Newborn to 1.5-year baby easily
2.
can use it.
Measure its diameter. It's 85.5 inches. Note down its measurements. 3. Take a fabric from which you want to make bassinet. 4. Cuts the side height 15 inches and lengths 85.5, exact the size of bassinet base. 5. For making frill we need a net fabric, and cut its height will be 15 inches and length will be double of 85.5 inches so that we can make easily full flyers. Carefully follow all steps and measurements so that don't face any inconvenience. 6. Now take a lace to decoration of net fabric. 7. Put it on the edge of
You
net
can also
and
sew
so
it.
use fabric glue to paste it on net. I use stitching to paste it on net. It's up to you. Our net frills is ready now. We add plates on it to make flyers to make bassinet more beautiful. We done all plates now. Our outer net frill is ready. It looks beautiful. 8. In this step we attach this frill to the cutted fabric which we cut with the length of 85.5 inches. Make sure your net frill length will be exactly the size of fabric, 85. I use fabric which is a bit thin, so I use double fabric. You don't need to take double fabric. Attach frill on its open side, fabric net fabric and sew it. After that we cut the close side. 2. First to attach frill, and second step is to cut its close side. I attach it like this. Please subscribe and like my video so that I make more informative videos like this for you. Now the outer sides of bassinet is almost done. Our frill is ready now. Cut fabric close side so it's easy for you to attach it with base. We cut its base on fabric. Exactly, we cut out on foam sheet and pick the fabric outer side and attach with base, but before attachment, fold the length side and sew its open sides. Follow how I sticked it. Now we done to sew its side. In this step we attach our outer part to our base which we cut on fabric EACT the size we cut on foamic sheet.